Hey y'all, it's Jen and I'm back with another video. Okay, anyway, so yeah, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what I received in my subscription box from BOXYCHARM. If you guys want to see what all I have in that subscription, keep on watching and you guys will be able to see how I created this look, all the products I used to create this look. Is she popping or is she popping? Comment down below. So it's this nice little situation right here, and this is called the BOXYCHARM. And what it does is, let me see, I got a little notes here so I can be able to tell you guys what's really real. Okay, so the BOXYCHARM is a $21 makeup subscription box that carries full-size products ranging from skincare to lipstick and of course makeups. I'm going to show you guys what's in it and how I created this look that you guys see on y'all screen. Okay, so when you open it, and of course I used everything in here already, so everything is open. Let's see, you guys should definitely sign up for the subscription. It's only $21, and what it is it's 4 to 5 full-size products that you're going to be able to test out or just use every month, and you guys get new things every month. Like, it's like free makeup from yourself to yourself. Like, who wouldn't want that? Like, who wouldn't? Okay, so this is what the box looks like. And oh my god, I'm so excited because I was able to create this look with everything that was in this box. So first, I'm gonna get up close because the first thing in this box that I used, of course, was the, what is it called? The, hold on one second, you guys, hold on. Okay, so I used the South Main 3 eye gel packs. It reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes eye area. So this is what they look like. And did I throw them away? I don't know, I think I threw them away. But they were able to moisturize under my eyes more than any time ever. I swear, I feel like my fine lines were definitely put to the side and they straightened out. Anyway, so I'm going to give you guys some information on the eye gels. So they're basically soft eye gels that are awesome for an easy mask without the cleanup. It helps to ensure that your makeup looks awesome, especially under your eyes. So they're really good with moisturizing. So if you guys ever, and then also it's easy to use them to, you know, make everything a little bit more straight because the eye gels go in this type of shape. They're like this, so it was easy for me to, you know, line my makeup up. All right, okay, so the next product is this Bella Pierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara, and this is what it looks like. And honestly, I don't feel like it volumizes anything. So okay, so the next thing from the box is blush. And you guys can see, like, it's a really pretty blush. I don't know if you guys can see because, yeah, I just don't know, but let me show you guys. It's from Pretty Vulgar, and this is what it looks like. It's Make Them Blush, a 111 Prim Vixen from Pretty Vulgar. And let me look back at my notes to get you later. So this blush gives you a glowy flush to your cheek with its silky formula. It's also long lasting and highly pigmented, and when they say pigmented, they are so serious. So let me kind of swatch it for you guys. And this is what it looks like. When you blend it out, it looks so pretty. I put like a little because the highly pigmented part scared the entire crap out of me, and I don't have time for all of it. So I only put a little, but it looks so pretty. So what's so good about this month's subscription is that, hold on, I still have blush on my finger. So what's good about this month's subscription is that it came with brushes. Even though these are smoky eye brushes, I feel like they're definitely, you're able to use them for absolutely anything. So this is, I feel like these are called shader brushes. I don't know, really. Let me see. Because you know me. Oh, this is so cute. It says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3 go girl go. So this is what it's hidden for. I use this, well, you can clearly see I definitely use this today because I just wanted to use everything in the box. About this brush set is that it enables you to create the perfect smoky eye, and those brushes are used strategically put them together so that you can make the perfect eyes. Smoky eye. So I was gonna go smoky, but then I was just like, no, let me halo it up because, you know, I'm an angel. Anyways, so this is the last product from the subscription, and when I tell you guys, this is a holy grail. I mean, I do have some cons about it, but the pros are definitely amazing. As you can clearly see, it's definitely pigmented, but it's buildable pigment. I don't think they're pigmented as they say they are, but let me show you guys. Okay, let me give you a couple of some information on the product. So as soon as I can find it. Okay, so the Complexion Authority, it's BOXYCHARM. Let me show you guys what it looked like first. It's BOXYCHARM X Pure or Pur. I don't really know how to say that one, but this palette can be used for any occasion. It's silky smooth, ultra matte, and ultra mattes are paired with pretty pinks and vibrant blues. You also have the opportunity to layer the shimmer shadows to make for a duochrome finish. And so let me show you guys which colors I did use. Oh, and it comes with a really good mirror, and it's really big. But anyways, I used these two shadows to create that transitional shade, as you can see at the top, before I got into the darker shade. And since I wanted to be extreme with it, I went in with this color to go right underneath the transition shade, and then I went in with this black shade to give it more so of a smoked look. And then I finished it off with these two. I put them both together because I wanted this color, but then it wasn't, you know, burgundy enough, like pinkish burgundy enough for me. So I went in with this one, and that's what created this. And when I tell you, I'm in love. It comes off a little chalky, but when you really know how to eyeshadow, it's like it doesn't really matter. Let me give you guys an up close on my shadows. When you put it on, it's like chalky. I don't know how to really say it, but it's so bomb, and it works. If you know how to put on shadows, it's so bomb. It gives me like the vibe of, which one, the Anastasia Beverly Hills, which palette was that? The palette with the velvet case. It gives me like those vibes, where it's a bomb palette, don't get me wrong, but the kickback is freaking terrible. So that's what this is, and let me give you guys an up close look, because this is the end of this video. Pretty much we're done with everything in the box. What I like about this box, first of all, I love the way that it came. But what I like about this box is they gave me 25% off of Butter London. I still have yet to figure that out, and it expires in July. But I got 25% off. I'm not gonna show you guys, but also I have this vacation enter chance to win an exclusive BOXYCHARM giveaway worth over $400. Like, they give you so much information, and these are so cute. I like them. It gives you all the information on everything that came in the box. Oh wow. So I sat there and did my research for nothing because everything's here. I'm gonna judge myself really quick. Only for a second though. Give me a second. Okay, she's done. But yeah, let me give you guys an up close on what she's hitting for. So this is what it is. And the lashes that I'm wearing today are called Champagne Mami. And what I love about these, and this, I literally only use these lashes for when I do this look, is I love halo looks with the Champagne Mami, because the Champagne Mami is lighter on the outsides and it's more full on the inside, so it gives you more so of an open eye look. So the link for these lashes will be down below in the description box. Makeup by me. Anyways, so yeah, This face is definitely all of the products that I just showed you guys from the BOXYCHARM box, and I am so happy that I found some of these products, because what it is pretty much is what am I trying to say? What am I trying to say? You're pretty much, I don't know the words that I'm trying to say. You're pretty much being able to test out products, full products, just to see if you like them or not. Who wouldn't want that? It's like a gift that you don't even know what time it's coming unless you check your emails. But if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.